Good morning, Bryan City Schools. Today is Tuesday, March 26th.
Tickets are now for sale for this year's spring musical, You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown. Shows are Friday, April 5th and Saturday, April 6th at 7:30 p.m. and Sunday, April 7th at 2:30 p.m. at the Arts and Education Auditorium. Tickets are $10 for adults and $8 for students and seniors. Purple and gold cards will be honored. Get your tickets in the high school office during school hours, at the door, or online at bhstheater.tix.com. Questions? See Mr. Lupo.
The World Community Workshop at Sauder Village is April 11th through the 13th. If you're interested, contact Mr. Niese by March 27th.
Also, seniors, if you are interested in attending a job fair at Northwest State, please sign up in Mrs. Bassett's office. There will be opportunities for full-time and summer employment.
If you are a Winter Scholar Athlete and have not received your Scholar Athlete t-shirt yet, stop in the athletic office before school during AA or after school to pick it up. One shirt per year.
Varsity Academic League had their winter tournament the Friday before break. For the day, they defeated Liberty Center, Patrick Henry, and Wauseon, and lost to Archbold in the semifinals to finish third place overall. Academic League continues on to a regional tournament in Van Wert on April 6th. Good luck.
The Bryan softball team hosted Fairview last night and fell to the Lady Apaches by a score of 8-1. Pitching for the Bears was Sheridan Miller. Maggie Voigt had a triple and a double.
In tennis action, the Bears prevailed against a formidable Springfield squad, 3-2. Caleb Zuver won in singles, Brendan Reiser and Keegan McCashin at first doubles, and Case Hartman and Noah Meyer won in second doubles. The boys returned to action today at BG.
The Bryan baseball team took on the Titans of OG last night and came away with a 9-0 victory. Benny Roebuck and Connor Lemons combined for a no-hitter. At the plate, Lemons and Roebuck each doubled and had a pair of RBIs. The team is 1-0 on the year and will play today at home against Napoleon.
The JV baseball team lost to OG 6-5. Ethan Cerny threw 5 innings in relief for Keith Eward, doubled at the plate.